Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm telling you the top features for the OnePlus Nord 2. You will get a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED panel on the OnePlus Nord 2. The screen supports HDR10+, which means it provides better black levels and you will enjoy watching content on it. Also, the screen has a max refresh rate of 90Hz. This will come in handy when you're gaming. Complementing this display is a stereo speaker setup on the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus Nord 2 is a 5G ready smartphone and can support dual 5G SIMs. This makes it a foolproof investment. OnePlus Nord 2 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G chipset. This is a flagship octa-core processor from MediaTek and can handle any and every app you throw at it. The processor is paired with a Mali G77 MC9 GPU. You will get a triple camera setup on the back of OnePlus Nord 2 5G. There is a main 50 megapixel camera that comes with face detection autofocus and optical image stabilization. This setup will help you click images quickly and the results will be crisper. Then there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera that is great for covering more room. And finally, there is an 8 megapixel macro lens. The camera setup supports HDR and can record 4K videos at 30 FPS and 1080p videos at 30, 60 and 240 FPS. There is also a dual LED flash that lights up the frame. You get a 4500 mAh battery on the Nord 2 that supports 65 watt warp charging. According to the brand, the smartphone can charge from 1 to 100% in just 30 minutes. Yes, this smartphone is also part of the Red Cable Club.